treat with a phase of 400k. Velocity dosing a longer way. No deviation predicted or seen. No parameters inside the mean. We brief the language before the event. If anything shifts, it's off nominal descent. Not a failing condition, not cause for alarm. Just outside expectation, no structural harm. Contingency trajectories already defined. Certified pathways pre-aligned. Download selection, if variables drift. My file profile, apply the shift. There is no branch where we stop or repair. No hardware solution once we are there. No access to surface, no visual feed. We manage the outcome, not what we need. Chromaty orbit environment is statistically known. Orbital debris and regions we've flown. We characterize risks, define what we accept. Martyrs embedded in every step. Their protection system margin applied. I've led every spawns under model guide, but no live data from sheet old a beak. No direct telemetry of what we seek. We're not getting data from where it counts, just experimental inference and modeled amounts. Confidence high from ground-based taft, correlate behavior and assume the rest. Kingdoms from fire to sea. No time to respond dynamically. No time for consensus, no time to debate. Just execute, see wins and trust the state. Blackout.